In this class, we talk about the geographical features of Telangana. In the part of geographical features of Telangana, we shall discuss about the soils in Telangana. What type of soils have been seen in the surface of our Telangana state. The state of Telangana has mostly three types of soils are there. How many types? Three types. One is red soil. Second one is black soils, and third one is lateritic soils. Some of we can found alluvial soils also there near the river banks of Godavari and Krishna. But mostly our Telangana state is covered by these three types of soils. First of all, we shall discuss about the red soils. Most of the Telangana part is covered by red soils. Most of the Telangana region was covered by red soils. How much percent was covered by the red soils in our Telangana state? How much percent here? 48% of land of Telangana should be covered by red soils. And how it is formatted? The red soils are formed by the weathering of metamorphic rocks. How it is formed? It is formed by the weathering of metamorphic rocks. The weathering of metamorphic rocks is the form of red soils in the Telangana state. And how become the color of red these soils? How became the color of red to the soils? Because the presence of iron oxides is the reason of the red soils. And where it is located? Most of the part of Telangana state is covered by red soils, where it has here Mahabubnagar district, Karimnagar, Rangareddy and Khammam. Nizamabad district also most of the land is covered by red soils. A small part of Adilabad district also having red soils. And red soils are most suitable for the raising groundnut crop. For the most suitable for raising groundnut crop is the suitable crop of this type of plants. So this is information about red soils. Now we will talk about black soils. After red soils, the black soils are mostly covered by the Telangana state. How much it covered? 25% of land should be covered by black soils. How much percent have covered by Telangana state? 25% of the land should be covered by black soils. How it is formed? How it is made up? The black soils are made of volcanic rocks and lava flow. How it is formed? It is formed by volcanic rocks and flowing of lava. And black soils also known as regur soils. What is that? Regur soils. Regur soils means nalla regadi soils. Most of the villages we can find the regur soils. And what type of suitable crops in this land? Especially black soils are most suitable for cotton and dry crops. It is most suitable for cotton and dry crops. And how it is formed? It is ferrous and magnesium oxides are two reason of this soils of black. Ferrous and magnesium oxides are to the reason of the color of this black soils. Especially one of the event or most significant of this land, this type of lands, that is water holding capacity is very high to this type of soils. This is the most advantage of the soils. What is that? Water holding capacity is very high in the soils of black. That's why dry crops are most suitable for these soils. And where it is covered? It is in Adilabad, Rangareddy and Nizamabad is the covering lands of black soils. So this is information about black soils. Now we talk about laterite soils. What is that? Laterite soils. Laterite soils also have been seen in the state of Telangana region. How much it is covered? It is covered 7% lands. How much percent of lands is covered in the Telangana state? It is 7% of lands covered in Telangana state. And how it is formed? What type of climate should be a reason of the form of this type of lands? Intense of leaching where high temperature and high rainfall is the main reason of the form of laterite soils. What is that? Intense leaching where high temperature and high rainfall is the reason of the form of laterite soils. And laterite soils are streaky in nature. This is the specific feature of these lands, streaky in nature. And where it is located? The location of the laterite soils is Medak and Khammam, especially the town of Jahirabad in Medak district. The surroundings area of the Jahirabad region is mostly covered this type of soils. So this is information about laterite soils. Now we shall go to mineral resources in Telangana. What is that? Mineral resources in Telangana. Telangana has a rich mineral resources. Rich mineral resources. So many mines are found in, or so many mines are available in the state of Telangana. In that, some of the most important mines, one is coal and the second one is iron ore and asbestos, barytes, limestone and slab stone and granite stone are the most important mineral resources in Telangana. So first of all, we talk about coal. So coal is the great gift of Telangana state. Why? Because a plenty of coal mines are available in our Telangana region. Most of coal mines are located in Adilabad, Khammam, Kottagudem, Singareni. Is the prominent place the coal mines in Telangana state. Second one, iron ore. Iron ore also most are available in our Telangana state, especially Khammam, Warangal and Adilabad are the most important mine source of iron ore in our Telangana state, especially the boundary of Khammam and Warangal region, that is Bayaram. Bayaram is the most important mine source of iron ore in our state. Asbestos, barytes, limestone, slabstone are also most important mineral resources in our Telangana state. They are located in Nalgonda, Mahabubnagar, Rangareddy, Adilabad and Khammam. These are the most important of this type of mineral resources. Especially the limestone is most available in the Nalgonda district, especially the river bank of Krishna river. That's why so many cement industries are established here, and so many cement industries are developed in Nalgonda district, because one and only reason, that is the available of limestone. And granite stones also most important another mineral resource in Telangana state. So much efficient and so much quality granite stone are available here. That's why in Telangana state the construction sector are so much developed in this area, only due to the reason of the available of granite stone. So in this class I briefly discussed about the soils of Telangana, especially three types: red soil, black soils, laterite soils, and also discuss about the mineral resource in Telangana state. Tomorrow we shall discuss about what type of vegetation have been seen in the region of Telangana state. Until then, bye.